Narrative technique, it is also another element of a short story or an element of a literary work, maybe novel, maybe drama, or maybe any short story. So today just try to know what is narrative technique, right? Narrative. Narrative means story or narrative means tale. And technique. Technique means mechanical skill. Mechanical skill in art. Narrative means story and technique means mechanical skill. So the narrative technique is the mechanical skill to tell a story or to carry on the tale, to represent the story, that is narrative technique, a mechanical skill to tell or to represent a story. So the writer, whatever the writer has to describe that kind of story, he represents through this mechanical skill. So this is called narrative technique. The mechanical skill of a story, it should be well managed, it should be well neat, well systematic way there must be, and a writer should try to manage it through selection of character, selection of the content, what kind of subject matter he is going to choose. It is very, very important for this narrative technique. Now there are three methods of telling a story, or three methods to use this mechanical skill: direct method, autobiographical method, and documentary method. This kind of method, that is direct method to narrate a story, it is very it can be called the best method, because here the writer finds a freedom of expression. He is completely free to express his feelings or to express his thoughts. So here he finds freedom of expression. So this is called the best method to narrate a story, that is the direct method. Means in the direct method the writer finds, or he finds, freedom of expression. Autobiographical method, the writer, he identifies himself with the hero, with the main character, or with we can say with the protagonist, the main character. So autobiographical method he can choose here, and through the main character, through the hero, through the protagonist, a writer just take the advantage to represent himself, just to pour out his own heart. And the third one method is documentary method. Documentary method, that in this kind of method the writer, what he does, he takes the help of the letters. The letters, those letters which are written by the characters himself. So those letters of the characters are used in this kind of method. Means the letters which are written by the characters and they are used to tell the story. Okay. So here the help of letters are taken. That is called documentary method, and this kind of method is also known as epistolary novels or epistolary method or epistolary writings. Richardson's novels, they came in this category, documentary method. So now it depends on the writer what kind of method he is using for narrating a story, and what kind of skill, that is mechanical skill, he is using in art: direct method, autobiographical method, and documentary method. Another one comes our structure of a story. And structure of a story, we can say that a structure of a story, it consists plot, character, dialogue. Dialogue, that is a conversation between characters, and the style, that is the manner in which the story is presented. Means that is it also represents the philosophy of life, the attitude of the writer, of of the hero towards life, and that is time, place or situation, each and everything. It depends on the structure of the writing, structure of the art, whatever a writer is going to represent. So this is the structure of a story. It is made, or it is consists of plot, character and especially dialogue. So that was your structure and narrative technique, right? Narrative technique and structure of a short story. All these are the elements of a short story.